Your business will give you everything that you want if you prepare yourself in these 3 ways. Now, I completely understand where you are right now if this is you. You are absolutely fed up with your business. It is not giving you the return that you want or expected or need right now, even though you've put in thousands into your business, you've put in so many man hours or weeks or months or even years into your business, and you've put pretty much everything else on the line for you to push forward in your business. I get it, I've been there. If that's you, I get it. Just stay with me. I've got more to show you in this video. Let's jump in. Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the Soul Central directory, which goes out every single month to over 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, and also high achievers. So if you feel that is the right audience for you to place your business in front of and you would like a free listing, then feel free to subscribe, like this video and comment below Soul Central directory, and I'll send you the information you need in order for you to get into the next edition. Okay, so your business will give you everything that you need and you want right now if you do these 3 things. So what are these 3 things? Number 1, be mentally prepared. Your business will take up a lot of capacity upstairs, and I for sure really do believe the whole online coaching business is a mental game. I like to see a business as an extension of that particular person. So I tend to find with clients, if they are working well, it usually means their business is working well because it's a complete reflection of where they are and what they think from within. And the analogy I like to maybe use in this particular context is for those who are parents. Before you actually become a parent, you can't really physically prepare yourself or mentally prepare yourself for the big change. It's only until after you have your little ones you realise how much time, energy and effort it takes to being the best parent you can be. And this is how I see business, okay? You've chosen to have a business. You've now gone into the process of becoming a successful business owner within your online coaching business. So this is where the mindset really starts to kick in. Now, as a parent, us parents out there, do we have a day off from being a parent? No. Okay, so see this in your business. You must not have a day off from preparing yourself mentally. So what do I mean by doing this? It means meditating every day. If you're not a meditator, at least meditate 5 minutes of every day because it will really help manage your stress levels throughout the whole process. I also do suggest that you really become aware of those thoughts. Meditation is good for that, but also stay very focused as you can, because there will be tough days ahead, and affirmations are very good for this. So that's another way of staying focused. And if you do these little mindset tips, I'll probably share more in other videos, then your business will give you back what you put in. But if you are disgruntled and you don't have the right approach or the mindset towards your business, unfortunately your business can do and will do, if you're not careful, beat you, and you don't want that. Number 2 is for you to become physically fit. Now, I don't mean becoming an absolute super duper marathon runner or be really good at, lifting up weights in the gym, but you need to be active. Why? Because when you're active, you've got higher energy levels, and that's what your business needs. Again, bringing it back to the whole parent side of things. If you are, let's say, late 40s and you've got a young little one around and they want to play football in the park on a Sunday, you want to be able to be fit and healthy for your little one. See your business as a business baby, even though you shouldn't get too attached to your business in order for you to keep your sanity. However, you want to be as fit as you can because your business is demanding, it will continue to be demanding, and you need all the energy for it in order to see it grow. Like you would do a child, you do need all the energy to get up for the night feeds, to get up and do all the things necessary to make sure that child has the best chance possible and the best start in life. So too does your business. So to be as physically fit as you can, then that will help you in your business, and it will then pay back everything that you want. And number 3, be honest right now. Do you love your business? Do you love your business like you would do your child? Do you love your business like you would do your pet? Do you love your business like you would do your partner? Okay, if the answer is no, you need to find a way to love your business, because your business will get nasty sometimes. It will get hard and it will get challenging. And if you were to learn to love your business in every single situation, through thick and thin, imagine it's like a marriage, till death do us part, then you will get the rewards when you have a positive relationship with your business. If you learn to love every challenge, if you learn to roll up your sleeves and go, here we are, here's another challenge, it's a sign of growth, come on business, give it to me, because it's there showing you what you need to do in order to grow the business, to grow you as a person, to move on to the next level. And as long as you stay in the game, you won't lose in your online coaching business. You really won't. But it obviously it's a mental mind game for sure. You need to be correct with your mindset at every single step of the way, and this is how the business will eventually give back to you all the hard work that you've put in. But if you do feel disgruntled and you were just like really getting tired now, I've done this, I've done that, I'm not getting anything back, then unfortunately that mindset is getting in the way of allowing the flow of your business to come back to you. So just to recap, number 1, be mentally prepared for the long game. Number 2, be physically fit as you can, because your business needs you and your energy. And number 3, learn to love your business through the highs and the lows, and it will definitely give you what you deserve in your business. So let me know how you're getting on in your online coaching business. I would love to know. And also, if you would like a free listing within the Soul Century directory, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. Also, leave a comment below, Soul Century directory, and like this video, and I'll send you over the information and I'll get you into the next edition. Thanks ever so much for watching, and here's to your online coaching business success.